Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can upload a video in YouTube. So if you're interested and want to know this, continue watching this video. Let's jump to the computer and see how it works. So you want to upload a video in YouTube. While your video is ready to upload, just come to YouTube and open the YouTube homepage, and here you can find this option, this button. Click here. These two options will appear. You have to select upload video. Click on this and it takes some time. Yeah, this box will appear. You have to select click here, click on the vector and go to your file and find your video. There's my video. I want to upload this video. So it depends on your internet speed how it takes sometimes, and here you can look uploading 5%, uploaded 5%, and here you can add a title to your how to learn Premiere. You can add a title, and here you can add some description to your video, and here you can select your thumbnail. This three box will appear a thumbnail, and here you can upload from your computer. And if your video is for kids, you can select this one. If your video is not for kids, you can select this. No, it's not made for kids. And click on more option. You can add here some tags about your videos, and you can select next. This box will appear. You can add some cards in your videos, add an end screen that's not activate in my YouTube channel. So click on next, and you can click on public and save, and your video will upload in YouTube. That's very simple and easy tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, thumbs up my videos. I mean the love and support that I have got from you guys. It's completely real. Hope you have learned something new from this video. Until next video, goodbye.